Yeah, I know India. Yeah, I have friends around here who I drink alcohol every day.
It is serious harmful. I don't like personally.
PTSD. Do you know what PTSD is? You
Explain.
don't know? Okay. And they cry.
Hi. Where are you from?
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. Are you from New York? Are you from New York?
You're from, I'm from Ohio in the United States.
Okay, just I am from Bangladesh. Do you know our beautiful country
You're from
Bangladesh?
Bangladesh?
Next to India, close to India, Southeast Asia. Close to India. Do you know India?
You're from
Do you know India?
Yeah, I know India. Yeah, I have friends around here who actually are my age and they're Indian.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Basically, how do you spend your free time? Most of the time, how do you pass your every single day?
What? How do you what?
How do you
Now
pass?
ask him again.
How do you pass your
How do
every
I
single day?
what?
Every single day. How do you spend your every single day free time?
Oh, how do you spend your day?
Oh, I drink alcohol every day.
Because there are
Are
names
you
on there.
are you sure? Are you taking alcohol every day?
Yes, I take alcohol
Oh,
daily.
I am not interested. I am not interested about this matter because it is harmful for health. It is serious harmful. I don't like personally.
I know it's harmful, hon, but it's hard because that's all I can do, and I'm not sure. Like,
Okay.
I don't know. Like, oh God, it's terrible. But I get depression. You know what depression is, right?
Fashionable money. Are you drinking to take fashionable? It is your fashionable or comfortable taking. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yes, I drink to get rid of
But
depression.
okay, rematch,
All right,
rematch.
a rematch.
Okay.
I just had PTSD. I'm sorry, I'm coming down from a PTSD. Do you know what PTSD is?
No, I don't know. Please explain. I don't know.
You
Explain.
don't know? Okay. PTSD is an episode that people have and they freak out and they cry and they get violent and it's not good because it's from trauma, childhood trauma.
Oh,
And this, yes, I had been with a guy tonight who had brought that childhood trauma out and it fucked me up mentally and I started crying and I said, get out, get out, get out, get out. I yelled for my mom, I yelled for my little brother, and I grabbed a bottle and I was gonna hit him with it because he was grabbing me like this and he wouldn't let me out the kitchen. So I
oh,
got scared.
how amazing, right? Excellent. Okay. Basically, I'm a private teacher. Private teacher. Okay. Will you teach me? I'm. I have come here in this platform to learn English. Basically, American accent. I'm very interested to know from you right now. Will you teach me?
I feel bad now.
Will you teach me
No,
American
I'm not gonna.
American
No,
accent?
I'm not gonna disqualify you, honey. No. If you want to learn, I'll teach you. You are adorable. No, I'm not gonna disqualify you. No.
Please pronounce A to Z alphabet. Please inform me A to Z alphabet. Please. Okay. Accept.
Sweetheart, I'm trying to learn. Like, what are you trying to learn?
Yeah. Please inform me or A to Z alphabet. A, B, C. Please listen. Just am I Am I right or am I correct?
Hold on, you didn't accept. Oh God, you're about to go off. You didn't accept.